everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore DFS, depth first search, which is one of the most commonly used graph traversal algorithms. Okay, so let's first quickly go through the steps which are involved in DFS. So first step is visiting the starting node. So we will be first visiting our root node. Then secondly, we will be visiting the adjacent node which is not visited yet for the current node. Then we will be backtracking if there are no unvisited adjacent nodes for the current node. Then we will be repeating this process until all the nodes are visited in the graph. Okay, so first let's take the example of this graph. Okay, so I will be noting down here the sequence in which we will be traveling this. So we will be starting with our starting node. So starting node is 1, so let I will be tick marking all the nodes which we have visited to keep track of that. So we will be starting with the starting node, that is root node. So 1 we have visited, I have noted down here. Then we will be going to the next adjacent node which is not visited. So 2 is not visited, so we came to 2. Now we can mark it as visited. Now I will note it down here 2. Then the next unvisited node is adjacent is important. Adjacent node is 5, so we will be visiting that. So I will note down 5. Sorry for my bad writing. Now we will be checking all the adjacent nodes which are not visited and visiting that. So for 5, 2 is the adjacent node and it is visited, so we will be not moving to that, but we will be backtracking back to the previous node, that is 2. So here 2. Now we will be checking the adjacent nodes of 2, that is 1, 5 and 3. So 1 is visited, 5 is visited, 3 is not visited, so we will be go to 3, noting 3 here. Now let's check the adjacent nodes 2 and 4. 2 is already visited, so we will be going to 4 here. Now let's check the adjacent nodes. Here there are 4 adjacent nodes, 1, 3, 6 and 7. 1 and 3 are visited, right? So we will be going to 6. 6 is visited node. Now no unvisited nodes are left for this, so we will be coming back to 4. Now we have 1 left, which is not visited, so we came to 7, mark it as visited. Now let's backtrack as there are no unvisited nodes left, so we came to 4 again. So now let's check all the adjacent nodes. So 4, 1, 3, 6 and 7 all are visited here, so we will be coming back to 3, backtracking. Then we will be coming back to 2 as all the nodes are visited. Now we will be going back to 1 as all the nodes are visited. So yeah, so this is the sequence in which we explored the graph. In yes, that's it for the DFS. The most this is one of the basic algorithms of the graphs. There is one more similar algorithm, BFS, breadth first search. So I will be talking about that in my coming video, and also I will be going through the code of this DFS in my coming video. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching the video and stay tuned. Thank you.